All right, students, today's assignment is going to be found in iCivics, and you have to sign up for it. So I'm in a student, Raven Brown's Google Classroom site. When you click on it, you want to click on the first tab that says assignment. So when you do that, it says you have to be logged in to access this activity. So go ahead and sign in with your Google account. All you will do is go down here, click on Google, sign in with Google, and then give it access. Once you do that, you will be in. But the only thing you really have to worry about, or at least look for, is to just click on classes. And for this class, it's my first block class, and you will see the assignment. It'll say start assignment. You click on it. You can view the instruction, or you can say hand in assignment. So what you want to do is you can, if it asks you want to enable cookies, you can enable the cookies, or you can just come out of it usually. But what you're really looking for is log in with Google, and this is going to be your Cami account, which you should have already signed up for. So sign up with that for Google. If it doesn't automatically take you, click on your account and just give it access to everything by clicking allow. Once you do that, of course, you will see that it is in Cami. Sometimes it takes a while to kind of download everything in. I'll do next is just view instructions. And it says student complete the following assignment after watching the post video. I think I have more of it after that. Alright, so if you would like to just go to Cami itself, just click that and then you can kind of go in and it'll open it up for you. Alright, and as you see, it's taking a little while. Alright, and so this is just a word bank. You want to go in and just fill in the words. And the bottom is, it's similar to that. Then you have the reading passage. Afterwards, there's just a little small activity. And you definitely want to put your name at the top of each page just in case. So after the activity, of course, you have the vocabulary where you match it. And all you want to do is put A, B, C, D, E, F, G all the way to N on whichever one. If the statement is true about the Federal Reserve, you're going to put an X. And then you want to follow the directions in each box. So do that in the C column. It's just telling you to draw one way along could help someone earn more money in the future. And then you have your second one. All right. And so you have your D. And if you read it, it just says mark the things that are considered money. So you're just going to go over and you can either use this tool or you can use the shapes tool. You use the shapes tool, of course, you would probably, don't use the shape tool, just use the drawing tool. And you can just, draw a, make sure it's in black, just check mark it. All right. After you get through with that, go ahead and move to D. And then F is just you making just a little small calculation based off of the information that they give you. So once you get through with the assignment, here, there are two ways you can turn it in. See if you can go back here and hit refresh, and the assignment should come up if it's just blank. And then you can just you can click hand in assignment and it'll turn it in, hand in assignment. And so I'll be able to review it at that point. If not, in Cami, it gives you the option to turn it in, or you can make a link out of it. So let me look and see if I can remember how to do it so I can tell you. And it may be under download. Yes. You can send it to your Google Drive and get it from there, or you can create a link, after you click in with all annotations, you begin export. It'll let you download it. But there is another way. I think one of your peers will, kind of enlighten you. But here you are. And just make sure it's turned in. There is a way to retrieve the link as well. This is all you will do today. I'm just going to go back and see if it'll let me go straight into the assignment. Remember, click on it and it should take you here. All right. If it asks you to enable cookies, you can enable the cookies in your browser, or you can just click out of it, go to Google, just allow it, click on your name, allow all of the settings, and then it'll take you straight to Cami. And remember, in Cami, it'll give you the option to, open it up, just view instruction is there. And like I said, if you just go to Cami itself, just type in Cami, it'll take you there, and you can kind of use the options that are there. Just remember, this is the only thing I'm giving you, so I expect it to be done upon my return. Now, if you have any questions, make sure that you're contacting me, text message or otherwise. That way I know that you actually made a concerted effort to get it done. So that's going to be it for today. There's watching the Edpuzzle video that I did this with, or YouTube video, and then completing the assignment. That'll be it for today.